To show FPS or CPU or GPU on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, open up your setting, and under setting you can see the about phone. Go to about phone, then go to software information, then here you can see the build number. Press the build number 7 times, then press on OK. That's your developer mode turn on. Now go back, then you can see the developer option. Go to developer option and find out the GPU was. Scroll down. Here it is, GPUs. Press on GPUs. Now enable this option. Now FPS loading or contact info, and if you go back, then you can see it's already showing, but I don't need contact info. Then just delete this option. Now your GPU and CPU is enabled. If you open any game, then you can see your GPU, CPU and FPS is showing like that. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.